Hi Parasight users, we've got a new build for the Parasight app that's on your tablet. Today you should have received an email either from DLW or from MEP Equine Solutions that has a unique code, and you'll also see a URL. We're going to retype this specific URL that you've received in your email into the tablet in order to access the download. With the tablet powered on, you're going to navigate to a page that has access to the internet, so you can browse. So Chrome is our go-to here. And once you go to that page, I have already typed it in and gave this a test run earlier. So I'm just going to cheat and tap my archived link. But you'll notice this was my 6-character unique code. Your code may be the same, may be different, so please follow the code that's provided in your email. Once you have entered that and typed it in correctly, this page will load, and you'll simply tap Install Application, and it may prompt you on security codes. It may ask you if you want to download it, and the answer is yes. So once that completes, we'll show you how this wraps up. The new build is pretty exciting. We now have full support for fecal egg count reduction tests, so you'll be able to display those side by side. So if you run a fecal egg count today that's positive and you treat, and you run another fecal egg count test in the next 10 to 21 days, it will pull it down from the cloud and give you a side by side. So this enables cloud support, which has been a much requested feature, and it speeds up a few things for you. So we hope you'll appreciate that. Okay, we've downloaded, and now we can tap open, and it's going to stage it and then ask me if I want to update, and of course the answer is yes. The whole goal is to install, so we're going to install it, and we'll watch the Android guy do his thing. And once it's complete, it's pretty straightforward. We will want to verify that it was successful and ask that you do the same. And if you have any difficulty, you just give us a call. So now I'm going to select done. And then I'm going to return to the home page by simply tapping the home button here. And I'm going to go back to the page with my app. I will then tap the app. And then I'm going to verify what version it is. And in this case, I go to the bottom, tap info, and that's the correct version. This is awesome. This is how it's supposed to work. I hope it works as easy for you. If you run into challenges, give us a call, 833-233-7278. And we appreciate all those shout outs online. We sure like sharing the Parasight word. Parasight System is our page. Hope you come and visit us frequently. Talk to you all later. Bye.